Dear students, we are doing with the story of village Palampur, and this is actually one of the easiest chapter that we can ever think of regarding economics as a subject. Now let's see, there are few worksheets that we are going to do it regarding this chapter. Here in worksheet number 1, let's go through few 1 mark questions very quickly. Define production. By now we know it that production simply means the creation of any new product or service. Some new product is getting created with the use of some raw materials. Second question, what do you mean by factors of production? So whatever requirements, whatever inputs are needed to produce any new good or service, will all those will be considered as factors of production. Question number 3, specify the fixed capital used by a school management. Means all those inputs which a school management will use it for a long run. Can you tell me? I guess yes. For example, the building, starting with the buildings, then we have the desk, chairs, green board, smart board. All those simply gadgets can be used by the school management for a long run, maybe 5 years, 10 years, till it is till it is working properly. So these will be fixed capital for a school management, or you can simply say school. Question number 4, how many people are depending on farming in Palampur? We have seen it's 75% of Palampur's working population who are dependent on farming. Now we have question number 5. What number of families in Palampur belongs to landless category? It's written one third of the total families, and one third of 450 families comes out to be 150. So 150 will be the correct answer. Kindly go through the rest of the 3 and 5 marks questions. We have already done it in the class. Now let's see here worksheet number 2. Again, let's go through all these one marks very quickly. What percentage of Palampur people are engaged in non-farming? Obviously 25%. Which is the scarce factor of production? Land, labor, physical capital, human capital. While the rest 3 can be increased or decreased as per the requirement. And land, most of the things related to land, that is plot of land, flora, fauna, simply there are few raw natural resources which actually can't be increased. So land will be the answer for this question. Now name the small town connected to Palampur. We have Shahpur. Mention the crops. Already we have those 5 names, so write all those 5 names. Which crop is harvested once every year in Palampur? Sugarcane. What number of families in Palampur is scheduled caste? We have obviously 150 families, that is one third belonging to Dalits. Mention the standard unit of measuring land in the imaginary village. We have hectare. Give examples of working capital. Now it is being asked working capital. That is all the inputs that will be used up, that will be over, and we need to buy again and again, so that my production of that commodity or service keeps on going, keeps continues. So simply the working capital is being asked. Who is a farm laborer? And define yield. All these are basic questions. Kindly go through it. Then we have worksheet number 3. These are short answer type and long answer type questions. And in the last question, we can see that graphical representation is being asked for table 1.1. So better to go for the bar diagram. So just plot all these data in a graph paper and paste it in your notebook. So I guess all the questions you have noted it down. Do it, and thank you everyone.